A look ahead, Canada's winter 2024 to 2025. Winter in Canada. It's a time of snowy landscapes, cozy nights, and the thrill of winter sports. But it's also a time to be prepared. Each year, Environment Canada meteorologists analyze weather patterns to provide Canadians with an outlook for the coming winter. This year's forecast for the 2024 to 2025 winter season suggests a mixed bag of conditions across the country. From coast to coast, temperatures and precipitation levels will vary. Let's delve into the specifics for each region. Atlantic Canada, known for its rugged coastlines and maritime climate, can expect a typical winter with fluctuating temperatures. Coastal areas will likely see milder temperatures due to the moderating influence of the Atlantic Ocean. Inland regions, however, should brace for colder periods and potential snowstorms. Precipitation levels are expected to be close to normal, bringing a mix of rain, snow, and freezing rain throughout the season. Southern Quebec, including major cities like Montreal and Quebec City, can anticipate a classic Canadian winter. Temperatures will be below freezing for most of the season, with occasional thaws. Snowfall is expected to be near or slightly above average, offering ample opportunities for winter activities. Residents should prepare for periods of intense cold, particularly in January and February. Southern Ontario often experiences a wide range of winter weather, and this year is no exception. The region can expect periods of mild temperatures and rain, interspersed with colder snaps and snowfall. Lake effect snow will play a role in areas near the Great Lakes, potentially bringing heavy snowfall at times. Overall, precipitation levels are predicted to be close to normal. Section 5. The Prairies, where winter winds blow free. The Canadian prairies are known for their wide open spaces and harsh winter conditions. This winter, residents can expect a typical prairie winter with cold temperatures and significant snowfall. The mercury will often dip well below freezing, and strong winds can create dangerous wind chill values. Snowfall is predicted to be at or above average, particularly in southern Manitoba and southeastern Saskatchewan. Section 6. Southern British Columbia, from rain to snow and back again. Southern British Columbia, with its varied geography, will experience a diverse winter. Coastal areas can expect milder temperatures and a mix of rain and snow. Higher elevations, including the mountain resorts, will see significant snowfall and colder temperatures ideal for winter sports. The overall precipitation levels are forecast to be near normal. However, there is a chance of increased precipitation in the early winter months. Section 7. The Sun's Influence Solar Cycle 25. The Sun, our closest star, plays a crucial role in shaping the climate and weather patterns on Earth. Its influence extends far beyond the warmth and light it provides. Beyond regional weather patterns, larger-scale factors can influence winter conditions in Canada. These factors include ocean currents, atmospheric pressure systems, and importantly, solar activity. The interplay between these elements can create a complex and dynamic winter season. One such factor is solar activity, specifically solar cycle 25. Solar cycles, which last about 11 years, are periods of fluctuating solar activity marked by the number of sunspots on the sun's surface. These cycles can have subtle yet significant impacts on Earth's climate. We are currently in solar cycle 25, which is expected to peak in the next couple of years. During this peak, the sun will exhibit increased activity, including more sunspots, solar flares, and coronal mass ejections. These phenomena can influence space weather and indirectly our planet's atmosphere. While solar activity does not directly dictate temperatures on Earth, it can influence atmospheric circulation patterns. For instance, changes in solar radiation can affect the jet stream, which in turn can alter weather patterns, leading to variations in temperature and precipitation. Some studies suggest that increased solar activity can lead to slightly colder winters in certain regions. This is due to the complex interactions between solar radiation, atmospheric chemistry, and oceanic processes. However, these effects are often subtle and can be overshadowed by other climatic factors. However, the exact impact of solar cycle 25 on the 2024 to 2025 winter in Canada is still uncertain. Scientists continue to study these interactions to better understand how solar activity influences our climate. As we gather more data, we hope to improve our predictions and prepare for the potential impacts of future solar cycles. Section 8. The Pacific's Power, El Niño and La Niña. These two phenomena are among the most influential climate patterns on Earth, capable of altering weather conditions across the globe. Another crucial factor influencing global weather patterns is the El Niño Southern Oscillation, or ENSO. This complex climate system plays a pivotal role in shaping the weather we experience daily. ENSO refers to the periodic warming, known as El Niño, which can lead to significant changes in weather patterns, including increased rainfall in some regions and droughts in others, and cooling, known as La Niña, which often brings about opposite effects, such as cooler temperatures and altered precipitation patterns. These phenomena occur in the central and eastern tropical Pacific Ocean, where the temperature of the ocean's surface can vary dramatically. These temperature fluctuations can significantly impact weather patterns worldwide, affecting everything from monsoon seasons in Asia to hurricane activity in the Atlantic. Currently, La Niña conditions are present in the Pacific Ocean. This means that the ocean's surface temperatures are cooler than average, influencing global weather systems. La Niña typically brings colder and snowier winters to parts of Canada, particularly in the west and central regions. This can lead to more severe winter storms and increased snowfall, particularly in the west and central regions. These areas often experience harsher winter conditions during La Niña events, which can impact daily life and economic activities. However, the strength and duration of La Niña events can vary, making it essential to monitor its development in the coming months. Meteorologists use advanced tools and models to predict these changes and provide accurate forecasts, making it essential to monitor its development in the coming months. Understanding and predicting these patterns is crucial for preparing for their impacts, from agriculture to disaster management. Section 9. What to expect: a winter of contrasts. In summary, the winter 2024 to 2025 forecast for Canada suggests a season of contrast. This means that while some areas will experience the usual cold and snowy conditions, others might see unexpected variations. These contrasts are influenced by a variety of factors, including geographical location, proximity to large bodies of water, and prevailing weather patterns. While some regions can expect typical winter conditions, others may see variations in temperature and precipitation levels. For instance, areas that are usually blanketed in snow might experience periods of thaw, while regions known for milder winters could see more intense cold snaps. Atlantic Canada should brace for a fluctuating winter, with coastal areas experiencing milder temperatures than inland regions. This means that while the coast might see more rain and less snow, the interior could be hit with heavier snowfall and colder temperatures. Coastal areas will likely have milder temperatures, which could lead to more rain than snow. However, this doesn't mean they are entirely free from winter's grip. Occasional cold fronts could bring sudden snowstorms. Southern Quebec can anticipate a classic Canadian winter with ample snowfall. This region is expected to see consistent snow cover, making it ideal for winter sports and activities. The heavy snowfall will also contribute to the picturesque winter landscapes that Quebec is known for. Southern Ontario will likely see a mix of mild and cold periods. This means that residents should be prepared for a roller coaster of temperatures, with some days feeling almost spring-like and others plunging into deep winter cold. Lake effect snow will play a significant role in southern Ontario's winter. The Great Lakes can produce heavy snowfall in localized areas, leading to dramatic differences in snow accumulation over short distances. The Prairies can expect a typically harsh winter, characterized by cold temperatures and significant snowfall. This region is known for its severe winter conditions, and this year will be no different. With cold temperatures and significant snowfall, the Prairies will face challenging winter weather. Residents should be prepared for frequent snowstorms and prolonged periods of extreme cold. Southern British Columbia will experience a diverse winter, with varying conditions depending on the region. Coastal areas will see different weather patterns compared to the mountainous regions. The coast will have milder, rainier conditions, which could lead to a more temperate winter experience. However, the rain can sometimes turn into sleet or wet snow, making for slippery conditions. In contrast, the mountains will experience colder, snowier weather. This will be ideal for winter sports enthusiasts, as the higher elevations will see plenty of snow, creating perfect conditions for skiing and snowboarding. Section 10. Get ready. Preparing for winter's embrace. Regardless of the specific forecast for each region, it's crucial for all Canadians to be prepared for winter's challenges. This includes ensuring homes are adequately insulated, vehicles are winter-ready with appropriate tires and emergency kits, and individuals have warm clothing and footwear. Staying informed about weather forecasts and warnings throughout the season is also essential. By taking these precautions, Canadians can embrace the beauty and wonder of winter while staying safe and comfortable.